Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I'm going to be going over my thoughts on the total market capitalization and where I think it's going to go into the future. Because you guys, I think the total market cap will go back to the all-time high and even proceeding further than that in the future. So we're going to go over that analysis, how I came to these conclusions, and I'm going to explain why I think that it is a good time to be getting into the cryptocurrency markets currently. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, as well as hitting the like button on this video and commenting where you're tuning in from in this world. So without further ado, let's get into the cryptocurrency total market cap. Okay, so I'm on tradingview.com with the total cryptocurrency market cap brought up, and I have some Elliott waves drawn as well as some patterns. Over here on the right hand side, we can see the Elliott wave structure of the 1 and the 2 wave, and then I have a projection using the polyline tool where I think the prices could go from here, especially if we get above a few key factors and follow some of the analysis that I posted on this. So for you guys that do not follow me on the TradingView, go ahead and follow me on tradingview.com. You can search for me, Dallin_Anderson, or there's always a link to do so in the description box below. I'm going to go ahead and throw this link to this chart as well, because I have some more detailed analysis in the description that you guys can click on, come view this chart, and get a little more detailed into the chart. But I'll take some of this stuff and kind of show you what I'm thinking and convert it over to what I'm looking at over here as well, so you can get a bigger picture idea and get a lot of the technical analysis out of this in today's video as well. So with the total market cap, like I said, we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave. Now, what's interesting about this is there's some key technical levels that I'm watching for us to break above to really confirm that we'll make this 3 wave. Now, one of the things with Elliott wave theory is with the Fibonacci extension tool, you can make a 1 and 2 wave. Then using the Fibonacci extension tool, you can conclude that from the 1 and the 2 wave, your 3 wave is going to be at the 1, 6, 1, 8. And so because of that, I have a target of the 3 wave on the total market cap lining up with this over here, which is the 1618, saying 653 billion in total market cap. So that's the 1618 level on the Fibonacci from this peak, or from this peak low to this peak high to this low right here. And the reason I bring that up is because it's important to understand that that's the minimum target for the 3 wave. We could hyperextend that, but if this is a 1 and a 2 wave, that's going to be your minimum Fibonacci extension target is the 1618. Now, I suspect that the 4 wave will fall back onto around 465 billion, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. And then we have the 5th wave that can go up to the 2-to-1 ratio up here. So that is 765 billion, or around 767, around in that range for the 5th wave, which is, you guys, it's actually right on. It happens to be directly on the resistance of the previous all-time high. There are some levels that I would like to see us break above, some support areas to hold. First of all, the RSI. I really want this lower support area to hold with the RSI, and we can get some type of breakout of this downward pointing resistance in the RSI. As well as the MACD has downward pointing resistance along this area. So if we can get a breakout of the MACD level, that is going to show us growing in the market and giving us strength. And then if we can get a breakout of this descending resistance level right here and get up into the Ichimoku cloud. So this right here is a white Ichimoku cloud, or a bullish Ichimoku cloud. And the cloud is actually pretty thin before it switches bearish right here. So there's a spot that we could easily have prices climb up through the cloud because we've got a thin cloud, and we also have an area where there isn't a lot, it's a bullish cloud and there isn't a lot of bearish cloud structure yet. So we could squeeze right up through there in the Ichimoku as well. Now this is big. I know that some people are going to be like, no, there's no way that crypto can do this. You guys, crypto can do amazing things, and you would be surprised what these markets can do after a strong drop, just like what happened in the last market cycle when we had a very significant drop over here in the past and found support and then broke up and made that entire cycle. And so when you're looking at the market from a big picture perspective, it continues to amaze people what markets can do. And you can see this across stocks as well, where people are in the biggest disbelief, and when they think that the market isn't going to rally and go up and return to a bullish trend is usually where the most opportunity is. So to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave after a standard ABC correction is very, very possible for the crypto markets, and currently my primary prediction and outcome that I'm watching from an Elliott wave theory perspective. So this is really exciting times to be looking at these crypto charts, and I think that 2020 can be pretty profitable across the map in the crypto markets. Definitely, I think it'll be more so than 2019. It might be a little slower. Who knows? It could consolidate a little bit more, take a little longer time to make this 3, this 4, and this 5 wave. But I think it's a little more likely for us to pick up pretty quickly here after we've, reached our capitulation, we've made a disbelief phase, and we have this kind of area for us to pick up and go right back up to these major resistance levels. And with the whole market cap being very undervalued, this would be a great time for buyers, long-term buyers, to come in and pick back up the market. So that's what I'm looking at, you guys. I think that we have a really bright future ahead with the cryptocurrency total market cap. Again, go ahead and check out this link in the description box below. I appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in to today's video. Go ahead and hit that like button for me, hit that subscribe button, comment down below where you're tuning in from, and I will catch you guys in tomorrow's videos. As always, stay profitable out there.